Hey guys, I'm in Ecuador right now, traveling up a mountain. Just wanted to give you guys a little look what things look like around here. Seeing a lot of these flowers too. You don't see these in North America. I believe this is goat's beard. We have a lot of this back in Canada. But look at the difference in all the other plants. It's a nice little grass roof umbrella there. What's up guys? Just stop and have some papaya. Just hiked up a trail up this way. Should have taken a video, but I didn't. But yeah, here's my papaya that I'm eating. Beautiful place. Alright, here's that trail. So there's the path. It's time to get into some real jungle hiking. This path is awesome. There's a creek down there. It's pretty crazy. I think I'm gonna head back to the path and see where it leads after this. It's a cool little detour though. Whoa. Almost fell. I don't know if you guys can see the path there at the other end, but you have to walk across that little thing of concrete here, or go down, I guess, and climb up. And here's the rest of the path. There's another section of the path. Now that's wicked. Pretty sweet discovery at the end of this path. I'm now hiking up beside the waterfall here. A little path. I'm now on this upper path. Pretty exciting. So the waterfall I was just at is down there somewhere. And here's another one. Ecuador, man. So here is the other waterfall. That looks like my path right there, so let's see what we can do. Man, this is beautiful. Oh yeah. Yep, this is a path for sure. I don't know what this is, but looks pretty cool. And the big waterfall is down there. Just saw a path right there, so we're gonna step across. Oh. And we're on another path. I have no idea when I'm gonna stop here, but I should probably head back pretty soon because I know it's at least 2 hours back home and it's almost 2 o'clock. And this is ridiculous. So we're at another waterfall. We keep walking along these paths here. Whoa. Lots of spider webs. I see another huge waterfall up here. I don't know if you guys see it.